Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Osetale. If this is the first time you're seeing any of my videos, this is the first time you're seeing this face, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do want to hit on the subscribe button. Feel at home. This is the family where I share pattern drafting, tutorial videos, and all of it, how to cut and sew. And if you're returning subscribers, you are my OG. Thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate it. So today I'm here to give you guys a very big thank you. Like, we are finally at 40,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. Like, this wouldn't have been possible without you guys. I'm so grateful. You guys are just the best. My subscribers are the best. Yeah, I said that. So thank you for liking my videos, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Like, everything, all the nice comments, you guys are the best. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so grateful, and I wouldn't trade this for anything. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this beautiful top that I am wearing. It's a casual kind of top. It's called a shirred crop top with a puff sleeve. So it's something you can easily just wear on a trouser, a jean trouser, and you're good to go. So if you're interested in seeing how I made this top, please keep on watching, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started.
So guys, these are the materials you're going to be needing for this tutorial. This is for the body and this is for the sleeve. You can see I have my threads, the color of the fabric, and also the rubber thread. You're also going to be needing your elastic band. So guys, I already went ahead to cut the fabric out because I'm making use of a scrap fabric. So if you're going to be sewing this, you're going to be needing nothing less than 1 yard of fabric. So my fabric is folded into two, and I have two of it for the front and the back. So I have it to be like my bust measurement divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches. So that was how I went ahead to cut it out. And the length is, I took away 5 inches, which is going to be for the off shoulder, and I took the length is 18 inches, and I added 1 inch extra for the folding. So guys, that's what you're going to have for the body. And for the sleeve, I also cut it on fold, as you can see, and I have it for the two sleeves, and I also have it to be 12 inches wide being cut on fold, and the length is 10 inches. So guys, that's how you're going to have it. If you're a bigger person, you will definitely have to add to all this measurement depending on your size. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to cut out the armhole. So to do that, you're just going to place your fabric together like this. Make sure everything is well arranged. Then you're going to measure your neck width. The neck width I'm going to make use of is 9 inches. So I'm going to be measuring 9 inches while the fabric is on fold. So that's like times 2 of 9 inches. By the time I put elastic band, it's going to give me what I need. Then I came down here by 4 inches. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the French curve to create the armhole. So guys, this is what you're going to have. Now go ahead and cut this out. I decided not to cut exactly on the line. You can see I left like ½ inch. So now for the sleeve, in order for me to cut out the armhole of the sleeve, I'm going to just place the fabric together. First of all, I'm going to measure 1 inch. Then I will rule a straight line, which is going to be for the folding of the elastic band on top. Now you're going to bring your fabric. First of all, you will measure 10 inches, which is like the off shoulder that we took out times 2. Make a mark there. Then you're going to place the armhole of the fabric on the sleeve. Don't place it to be straight like this. No, you're going to place it in a slanted form, like a little bit slanted. Then go ahead and cut this out. So guys, after you're done cutting, this is what you're going to have. Just make a notch here. So this is it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to start sewing. So to sew this, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take this to the sewing machine. You're just going to hem this upper part where you're going to put elastic band through. So hem it in a way that is wide enough for your elastic band to go through it. So you do the same thing to the other piece. Then after you're done doing that, guys, this is what you're going to have. This is what I had after doing that. You can see I've hemmed it. I also decided to hem the down part, as you can see. So I did it to the two, the front and the back. So guys, right now I'm going to bring the bobbin and the rubber thread. I'm going to use my hand to reel the rubber thread and the bobbin. So you cannot do this with your sewing machine, you can only do it with your hand. So just go ahead and use your hand to reel it the way you see me doing. Don't stretch your rubber thread while you are reeling. If you do it that way, it's not going to give you what you're looking for. So just do it in a way that you are not stretching the rubber thread while you are reeling it on it. So guys, this is what I had after I was done doing that. Now you're going to bring your shuttle. You're going to put the bobbin inside of the shuttle just the same way you do when you're using a normal thread. Now you put this on your sewing machine. Now I'm on my sewing machine. I decided to reel a white rubber thread because the black one was not good at all. I would advise that if you're buying a rubber thread, buy the white one. It's better than the black one. So now I'm going to sew. So you're just going to sew a straight line very close to the folding that you did. Don't stretch while you are sewing. Did you see me stretching my fabric? No. So just sew on it just like this. Do not stretch it with your hand. So guys, after sewing the first stitch, this is how it is going to look like. Can you see? So this is what you're going to have. Now I'm going to go ahead to sew the second stitch. I'm going to leave a gap of about ½ inch. Then I will sew the second stitch on it just like this. Make sure that your hand is very straight. Do you understand? And make sure that your fabric is also straight while you sew on it. So guys, that's what you're going to do. After you're done sewing the second stitch, this is what you're going to have it looking like. Did you see? It's already coming out. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep sewing on it just like this, the way you see me doing. So just keep sewing straight lines on it just like that. Sometimes a disaster, sometimes we get free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't want another, I just want. So guys, this is what I had after I was done sewing the fourth stitch on it. Did you see how it is coming out? Now I'm just going to go ahead and keep repeating this process until I'm done sewing everything. So guys, I've gone halfway and this is how it is looking like. This is how it is. Did you see how stretchy this is looking? This is it from the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish it up. So guys, I decided to leave this little one that is remaining as a way of design. I think it looks pretty, so I don't want to take it all the way to the end. I want to leave it like this. So now I'm done with this first one. I'm going to go ahead to shade this second one just the same way I shaded the first one. This is what I had after I was done shading the two of them. Can you see how stretchy this is looking like? It came out so nice, guys. So this is it. I also went ahead to hem the upper and the down part of the sleeve where I will put in the elastic band. I'm going to cut the elastic band that will be on top out using 10 inches. I'm going to cut 2 for the 2 sleeves. Okay, then for the one that will be under here, I'm going to cut it out using 12 inches, which is my round arm measurement plus extra 1 inch for the joining. So I'm also going to cut 2 of it. Okay, so after you're done doing that, now I'm going to use the safety pin to put the elastic band through the folding that I made. When the elastic band gets to the end here, you are going to pin it down. Then you're going to continue to take it out from the other side. So guys, this is it. You're going to go ahead and also remove the safety pin and pin this part down as well. Now you're going to take this sewing machine and stitch it on both sides. Then you will put elastic band through all the other case. So guys, this is what I had after I was done putting the elastic band through all of it. I also went ahead to cut out this elastic band. It wasn't long enough, so I just joined the white one to it. It is 10 inches long. I'm going to be putting it through this fold that I made earlier before I started shedding it. So just go ahead and put it through it just like that. This is going to make the neck area of your top to be very firm on your body. So guys, now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to go ahead, take it to the sewing machine and stitch it on both sides. Then I'll put elastic band through the other one. This is what I had after I was done doing that. Did you see how firm the neck area is now looking? Now I'm going to go ahead and join the sleeves together. So just go ahead and pin this together with the body, just the way you see me doing. So guys, after you're done doing that, take it to the sewing machine and sew it down. You're also going to sew this other one. Then you bring the other piece, place them the right sides facing each other, sew it down and sew it down as well. This is what I had after I was done attaching the sleeve to the body. So this is it. Now I'm going to take it back to the sewing machine and join the sides. Then you're going to also join this other side. This is what you're going to have after joining the sides, guys. I went ahead to iron it out very well, and this is how it came out. So guys, this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let me know if you're going to be trying it out in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.